Hi and welcome back to Karen and Phil's Full House Renovation. We're now in week 5 already, and last week Mally made a really good go at getting that stone wall up, and it was really exciting seeing it come up and getting a great finish on it. And this week, of course, there's going to be more stone building because there's a lot to do. You can see these pillars behind me, they're going to be built up with stone, and at the far side as well down here. But there's more. There's always more. Because this week we're going to be getting the roof onto the garage. Here was the timber arriving this morning for the roof. But before the roof timbers can be fitted, there's still more block and stone work to do. And then in a minute, I'll probably show you some lintels going in as well. And these are needed in order to support the timbers as they go in. It'll all become clear. And as you can see, Mally's already put this lintel in. Apparently it's called a Catnic lintel. And then Mally's already started on the blockwork, but that has to be built up because then a beam's going to go down the apex of the roof and then go into the actual main house, into the wall of the main house about here. Yeah, I need to be catching people on the tea break. It looks like you work and never get a break.
That's what you want to hear. Continuous beat.
So the beams arrived, and this is the one that's going to go down the middle of the roof of the garage. As you can see, the builders have built up the back wall of the garage, including this pad stone at the top, and that's ready to take the central roof steel for the garage. But first the team are fitting wall plates, which are lengths of timber that run along the top of the wall, ready to receive the roof timbers, and these lengths of timber can also be used to level out the wall if needs be. So now finally we've reached the point where it's time for the steel beam to be lifted up, and as you can see, it goes at the very top of the garage extension roof. And on the left hand side you can see where a hole's been punched in the stone wall and then a pad stone put in place to take the beam. So 2 joiners have joined the team for this part of the work, and their names are James and Aiden. And what you can see them doing here is what's called boxing in, which is putting wooden inserts into the void part on the I-beam, and this is to give something for the roof joints to fasten to. And of course, in the meantime, Mally's relentless with his stone wall building. He tells me that these pillars of stone, which are the small areas between windows, are actually quite tricky to build. And the reason for this is that he's restricted on what size stones he can use. And of course, he still wants to make sure that it's in keeping with the rest of the build. The joiners have made one of the joists into a template, and this allows them to cut the notch out for where the joists are going to fit onto the wall plate and make sure that all of them are exactly the same. So here you can see James is cutting out the side that's going to sit on the wall plate, which is like a V that gets cut into the roof timber. And you'll see where this sits in a minute. And then at this side, Aiden's cutting an angle on the end of the roof timber to make it sit flush at the other side. Friday morning up on the scaffolding, and they're going to be getting some of this stonework done that you can see on the outside of the walls here, but then also lintels that go above the windows. So Finn's getting the mortar ready and Mally's getting stone blocks ready to do this work. And the joiners are continuing with the timber work for the garage roof, and here you can see the cutting off the joists to length. And as soon as the shape of the gable end was in place, then Mally was straight in there doing block work, because this block gable end needs to be completely built, and then he'll move on to the outer layer of the stonework. So that's a wrap on the full house renovation week 5 on our stone house here in Yorkshire in the UK. And next week's also going to be a massive week because for starters, we've got a huge steel that's going to go in, and that's going to be above the bifold doors. And Mally's going to be finishing off the stonework, so you can see up there that all still needs stone, and there's quite a lot of other areas as well, so he's got a full week of stonework still to finish. And then this part behind me, which I'm calling the main part of the rear extension, it's going to be the open plan dining and kitchen. It's going to get the timbers in for the roof, and so it'll start to look a lot like this, which is the garage roof, including with skylights, etc. So I hope that you're enjoying this home improvement project, and if you are, then please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our small channel to grow. And please consider subscribing and clicking the bell, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, bye for now.